For electronics, buy new, not old. If you want your new device to enjoy Wi-Fi 7 high-speed network, you need a Wi-Fi 7 router. Key feature 1. Wi-Fi 7 faster than ever. Adopt the new generation Wi-Fi 7 technology. Dual band concurrent rate up to 3,570 megabits per second. Up to 8% faster than an X3000 router. Up to 45% lower latency than an X3000 router. Download a HD movie in 10 seconds. Play games faster than others. Data transmission density increased by 120%. Key feature 2. Whole home Wi-Fi 7, wherever you go. TE3L uses 5 high-gain omnidirectional antennas, equipped with 5 built-in FE-MIS. Whole home high-speed Wi-Fi 7, wherever you go. TE3L through wall Wi-Fi actual speed test comparison. With extra range to 0.0 technology, 5G Wi-Fi signal coverage can be extended by another for 0.5 meters. Key feature 3. A smoother, more stable online experience. TE3L uses a 6 nanometers advanced processing chip with higher integration, lower power consumption, and heat generation. TE3L prioritizes performance over cost reduction, equipped with 512 megabytes large memory, 4 times larger than a Wi-Fi 6 router, with 1 to 8 M memory. Multiple people watching videos and playing games at the same time smoothly. Key feature 4. More convenient, easy-to-use features. One-touch Wi-Fi connection with NFC. Guests can get online without needing a password. Parental control. It helps schedule children's screen time and prevents excessive internet use. In addition, the TE3L also supports OpenVPN and WireGuard for advanced security.